So if you're not comfortable on video, you can use Jobs Interview Prep to actually go record yourself on a video, and then others who are out there who are anonymous and or AI, okay, artificial intelligence will actually give you feedback about whether or not you're doing a good job or whether or not you're filling with ums and ahs and knows and et cetera. Okay, so it's really important. And you know what? This one is good for someone who's not in the job search, who just wants to practice a little bit as far as video is concerned.
That's exactly what I was going to say. It's
Yeah.
exactly right. Yeah. So if you want to practice on video, go to, where do they have to go, Jeff? So they go into the job search.
Jobs tab, and then down the left-hand side, you'll see something called Interview Prep.
So you can record yourself and it will tell you how many ums and ahs and ahs you're doing.
Yeah, it'll give you feedback. Artificial intelligence or other people that are out there. I mean, well, for example, one of the most common questions that you're going to see there is at the top, tell me about yourself, because everybody ends up having to answer that question in a job interview, right? Well, that question has been used by millions and millions and millions of people.